Hello friends, in this video I'm going to be uninstalling this light fixture. I'll show you how to do that real quick. Not too difficult. Shouldn't be, at least. You should just be able to unscrew this with your hands. Should being the operative word. Alright, so I need some help here. Well friends, this didn't want to unscrew, so what I'm going to do here is take my crescent wrench, but I have this double-sided like foam stuff for like window insulation. I'm just going to put that on there so that when it grips on that, it doesn't mess up anything. So there's my foam padding on there. Now I'm just going to grip that, just get it loosened up a little bit here. And once I get it loosened a little bit, should be able to come off easily the rest of the way here. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. I should just be able to do this counterclockwise here. Okay, getting some turns now. That should be loose enough for me to just get off my hands, I would think. There we go. Okay. This is going to be a little heavy. So, yeah, I probably should take those glass things off real quick. So I'm just going to take these bulbs out just in case. There's one. There's two. All right, there's three. Now I can take these out. It's gonna just make it a little bit lighter, a little bit easier to work with here, just in case I have to hold this thing up with one hand. Okay, so this just unscrews right there. Now that we have those off, we can go ahead and can test our wires here. Make sure that we're all good on that. That's just going to come off now. And pull these wires out. Test those. Everything seems to be good on that. All right, we are good. So we can take these wires off. A lot of the times, you can just hold your thing up with just the ground wire. So I got the ground wire there, but I don't want this smashing into my mirror. Get my flathead screwdriver here and just remove that. Okay, so we are free and clear, my friends, and that's how you remove a bathroom fixture light.